Tapos wala na yung katawan dito, no? Astig. Solid. Lagyan na natin yung heart. Yes, sir. Oh! Oh!
Of course it gets up.
You dead? He dead. Respawn level 2 oh gang. Pasok tayo dito. Safe naman dito eh. Yan, dito. Basa. Left. Ingay naman nito ni ano, Grace. Not bad, not bad. A little scraps, a little scraps. Kaso, kuha muna tayong dugo. Kuha muna tayong dugo. Yes, sir. Wala na rin dugo si sir. Oh! Fucking with that. Fucking with that. Hell na. Fucked up shit yun eh. Okay, mapapasok na natin tong isolation room. Let's go. Where you at? Lang. Lakas ng ulan na naman. Oh. Nice one. May dugo. Bago tayo pumasok dyan, ikutin muna natin lahat eh. Diba? Sabi sa'yo, iniikot muna yun eh. Yung binibigyan ako ng bala. Alright. Check. There have been a number of T-virus cases. Blister heads. Double mutation. Yun pala yun eh. Fuck that blister head. Di na AIDS yun eh. Fuck that. What this is? Scrap. Craft muna tayo ng handgun ammo. Or isa na ito. Ito yung kakaiba eh. Kakaibang bala yan eh. Anong room to? Password room na naman. Let me check. May pencil ako eh.
This must be it.
Okay. Picture. Alright. He's dead. Lahat naman ng tao dito patay eh. Hindi ko pa naikot to do. Baka may shit pa dito. Alright, wala.